G'day guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the year 2021, coronavirus, the Olympic Games and the unprecedented price growth we had across the Northern Beaches. Coming right up. Hey guys, I'm Angus White from Whitehouse Real Estate and this is the year 2021 in review. So for me there were three main things that dominated the headlines this year. Number one was obviously coronavirus and the way that we came together as a community to combat that. Number two was the Olympic Games and sport, which gave us all a little bit of hope to get through the tough times. And number three, the big one in real estate, was the unprecedented price growth across Sydney and in particular the Northern Beaches. So coronavirus, we had mandatory lockdowns, we had homeschooling, vaccinations, masks on, masks off, check-ins, check-out. It was a tough time for some families and in particular some businesses. We were very fortunate that we could still operate in some capacity and I was really proud of my team, especially the property management side of things, that had to deal with tenants that really struggled to pay their rent and we had to manage that landlord-tenant experience. So really proud of the guys through that. Now the upside was during that period that you got to spend a little bit more time at home with the family, getting outdoor and exercising if you were usually stuck in the office. But number two was the Olympic Games. Now, that gave us a lot of hope and inspired us as a nation because the Aussies went out and won 17 gold medals and 44 medals in a total tally. I think that matched our 2004 Athens Olympics with the record tally amount. So fantastic achievement there from the Aussies at the Olympics. So number three was the unprecedented price growth across Sydney and in particular the Northern Beaches. Now the Sydney median house price jumped a staggering 26.1%. But on the Northern Beaches, it was a phenomenal 46.1% from October 2020 to October 2021. But let's drill down as to why that happened. So we all know the record low interest rates are there. We all know that there was limited stock and there was increased buy demand. But it was that buy demand that I have never seen before in over 20 years of real estate locally. We had expats overseas just longing to get back to the Northern Beaches. With the lack of the necessity to get into the CBD, living close to the office and the CBD, we had an influx of buyers from the east, inner city, upper and lower North Shore. And it was really the combination of these buyers coming into the Northern Beaches and they were all searching for that quintessential Northern Beaches lifestyle. Laid back, clean, pristine beaches, quality schooling, close to great amenities. And that's what drove the prices for 2021. In addition to all the local buyers, we had this huge infiltration of buyers from outside of the area. Now I've just talked to you about why the prices were so high. And for buyers out there, it's been a tough year, 2021. But there is a silver lining. In the last couple of weeks, my office and I have had huge amounts of market appraisals. As the market starts to stabilise, I believe the first quarter of 2022, there will be a good rush of property onto the market. So there is a silver lining out there for the buyers for next year. So get your pre-approvals in place and get ready to make offers as soon as the market opens up again in January 2022. Now on a personal note, Whitehouse Real Estate celebrated its 12-month birthday in October. And we also expanded and grew into freshwater, which is where I live and where I love to live. Sean King, Tim O'Neill and Holly Sheen all heading up that office. And also we've sold over 70 properties this year. We've leased out over 100 properties, which is a great effort from our small team of 12. Now on behalf of Tony White, myself, Kate Eastwood, our property management head, I'd just like to thank you for all your support this year in 2021. Wish you a very safe and Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we look forward to seeing you in 2022. Thanks for your time.